Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in this video I want to show you how to add the rating library in React Native. So we are using the Culking React Native rating library. So in this video you will know how to use this library and also how to change the rating to the emojis and heart and star. So let's start with the practical. So this is the installation. If you are using Yarn, so you just copy this command and just come to your project and just paste it. So it will take us some time to install the dependency. So after installation, we need to go to the example. So this is the example. So first we are going to import the rating library. Just copy. And I'm going to the home screen. Just type the home. So this is my home screen. You can see. Just paste it. So now we are going to the example. So first we are going to copy the state of rating. Just come here. Paste it. After that, we need to copy this function. This is our function to copy and paste it. And just copy the rating now. So this is the example of the rating. Just copy these things and just paste it here. Let me reload the app again. So it will take us some time to run our app again. So we need to copy the style of the text also. For that, just come here. So this is the text style. Just copy the text style and just paste it in here and save it. So let me reload the app. We haven't import the use states from the React. Import the use state. We need to import the callback also. Just import the callback. So I'm using the JavaScript. We do not need the type also. Just remove this. So now you can see we seen the rating also. So this is our rating. So let me give it the 1.5, 1, 2, like this. We can give the rating also. So now we are going to see the props of the rating also. If you want to increase and decrease the size of the star, so for that just come to the size. If I want to decrease the size, you can see we have a small size. If I want to bigger one, so just type 80. So now you can see, let me 30. If you want to change the rating to the emojis on other things, so for that we have a variant. Inside the variant, we just pass the emojis. You can see now it's changed to the emojis. You can see. If you want to change to the other things also, heart, you can see we have a heart also. You can change the rating to the heart also. If you want to change in the outer star outline also, you can change it. Now you can see how to change the max rating also. For that we have a props also, max rating. So this is the max rating. Just type 20. So now you can see we have we seen the 20. Let me small the size. So now you can see we have a 20 rating. And if I change the variant of this to the heart, you can see. So like this, we can use the React Native rating library. So hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye.